everything Srila Prabhupada established, it's all for Sankirtan, glorifying Krishna. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement, so that everyone can come together and glorify Krishna together. So the Sankirtan means that we jointly glorify Krishna. That means we have morning and evening hearing and chanting about Krishna communally. But actually, everything we do should be for the glorification of Krishna. The whole project is for the glorification of Krishna. Taking the cows out to the field is for the glorification of Krishna. Plowing the field it's all for the glorification of Krishna. To show to the world, hey, look, this is Krishna's here. We're depending on Krishna. We're not depending on your factories. We're depending on Krishna. So devotees, that consciousness, that Krishna consciousness is there. That we're doing this for Krishna. We're plowing this field to please Krishna. The person who works in the factory, he works to get some money for his family, but the devotee thinks, Yad karoshi, yad ashnasi, yad juhoshi, dadasi, yad tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurushva, madarpanam, krishnate kila cheshta. Devotee thinks everything I'm doing as an offering to Krishna. I'm eating, it's an offering to Krishna. Any difficulties I have to undertake, that's for Krishna. All my activities, all my endeavors, everything is for the pleasure of Krishna.